wonder if the color's going to change, if it's going to change colors. If it's cooling off or not, I don't know. I need to find a video on how to work this. This might take a while. It's not going down, is it? I don't think so. Anyway, there's different colors as it gets warmer. Why is it only showing the yellow? Anyway, let me see if I can turn the light on this. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it turns different colors depending on the temperature. But I have it set on that one, so I don't know if it's going to stay red or if it's going to cool off and change back the other colors. I don't know.